This is episode number 5. We are going to do episode number 5. You saw it yesterday on episode number 4. We made a very big win, as you can see here in the screen. So we are going to continue with our episode number 5. I'm going to talk much after this, after buying the one bonus, and then I will tell you guys what we are going to do. I'm thinking of nominating some few people of the voucher, but this time when I nominate, I'm just going to tell you guys in this I'm gonna use this video. I will type in your comment. If I decide that you are the one, I'm going to type that you are the winner of the voucher of 100 rand voucher. This month I'm giving away 100 rand voucher, the minimum. So don't forget, like, subscribe and share the video. Let me buy the bonus and let's see what is going to happen. All right, okay, let's hope what happened yesterday is going to happen today. All right, okay, that's a nice one, guys. We are on profit also. Let's hope we can double yesterday's profit. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, we are already in profit, guys. Okay, we have doubled our profit, the money that we used. Okay, nice one. Let's see. So yesterday we won a very well one. We won nicely, and then even today we are winning again. We are on 500 rand 5 times. Okay, can we get 1000 x or 2000, guys? X, can we get safe? I saw the gold something like God. I can. Okay, guys, but I'm not going to complain about today's profit. Also, it's 1600 rand again. Yesterday we won nice profit. Today also is another profit, guys. It's a nice one. I'm so happy about episode number 4 and then also episode number 5. This is so nice, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy about these 2 wins, consecutive wins. This is nice. This is nice, like, guys. This is nice win. 1600 again in my pocket. So this is nice, guys. I'm going to give 2 people, as I've said. Forget, I need 50 likes in this video, guys. 50 and above likes. Thank you guys for watching.